Terry and Rosie up here at Mount Taborn Church Cemetery. So beautiful country view. We're going to continue our last video. So this is a continuation. So I want to take you into the old chapel. This is one of the most historic chapels I've ever seen. The history is just impeccable as far as I'm concerned. So pardon here, we're going to go inside. Come on in. Shut the door and come in.
No, I don't want it.
All right. But you enter, and then there's 3 or 4 doors. Everything's original. Looks like what it might have been in 1818 or 1824 when they rebuilt it, because this was originally log. So stainless steel windows, probably gas lights at one time, but now they're electrified there. Just a very pristine condition considering. We'll take you into the main part of the chapel. So that's off to the right when you come in, like a little school building. And this is what I find so fascinating. So everywhere on the wall here is history. I've never seen anything like this in a place before. So murals, there's I don't know if that's a soldier, like a Union or Confederate soldier, I have no idea, but it's like this place is, sorry for the echoing, hopefully I'm not covering up anything. It's like this place is just, Bibles or whatever, hymns, books still on the table, pictures. You can just imagine people 200 years ago practically utilizing this place. These doors here are, I'm 6 foot tall, and I would say they're 9-10 feet tall. This door here is 9 to 10 feet. N.C. Hunter and family. So, and here's an old picture. So if you ever get up here and able to check this place out, it's just immaculate. And then over here behind the pulpit is just on the left, there's a mural of Indians. As you can see, it's just incredible. Some deer there, just village life, and then it kind of shows where they have the Western, like pilgrims or something, because we're dealing in that time period back in the 1800s. So they're depicting a time of that era. So it's just incredible. Then over here on this stained glass, each stained glass has a different family name, I suppose. John and so that's Hunt, PB, I guess, or something like that. But just incredible. The crown, English like crown and cross. So just amazing. How it has some damage, but very little. Considering the roof here is some of the paint's peeling and falling off, but it seems like it's still intact. Up there we have another stained glass. That's a little balcony up there. I may walk you up there. But this is just incredible. So this is the chapel up at Mount Taborn Cemetery. And just, it's like a king and queen or chairs, and just amazing. You get such a sense of history when you walk in here. You just, the air smells and it has a sense of you opened up a 100 or 200-year-old, exactly like that. Just incredible. Look at the drawings that goes up about at murals, again, 9-10 feet tall up on the wall. Here's a little one over the piano here. Just everything's incredible, the condition of it. There's the name on that, made in Boston. And another little, looks like a house in a cemetery. This might be a picture of the way it was originally up here, possibly, because it's showing a log style cabin and some gravestones, so that might be what it might have looked like. Here's another person, John and Jane Hunter. So just incredible, just incredible. Like I said, that these doors here are 9 feet tall, I would say. So just incredible. Can't say that enough. Here's a little more modern heater, I suppose, put in. So here, I guess that's how they heated it a little earlier on. That's a wood. I think it's probably, I don't know. I guess that's some sort of gas or electric, but just incredible. The lighting fixtures, I'm probably gonna miss something, but I just wanted to share this with everybody. It's very, like I said, very historic. We'll take you up to the balcony now. This goes up to the balcony. So we get a little different perspective. So this is, as you come in the main door, there's, like I said, 4 or 5 doors, and so each one goes to a little different room. This one goes up to the balcony. There's a very small balcony with some chairs and pews up here. A little rope. Then you can look down on everything. I'll see if I can. The lighting's kind of poor up here. I don't know, I'm losing focus. There's a beautiful stained glass little circle window that's facing the front. Just the way it's preserved and everything. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm trying to get more light in here. I'm trying to work the phone a little bit, but anyhow, I know it's not coming through, but we're up on the balcony looking down, so sorry for the quality. It's kind of dark in here. And so that's it. So yeah, this is Mount Taborn Chapel. Originally built in, I think, 1818. It was a log cabin, burnt down in 1824, and then rebuilt to what you see today. So, just incredible. So this is the balcony we were at, and walking down the stairs here. lighting's a little better down here. So again, when you walk in the main door, this is what you see. So I zoomed in there. So that's just a small portion. That's the horse, the Indians, their teepees. Over here is more of the Pilgrims Pioneer side, so it's half and half, and showing the wagons and things like that. So the chairs, just incredible. The Indians over there. Man on his horse. Go back out there. So LS Seaman and family on this stained glass. So I'm sure they were prominent families that had a just beautiful artwork on the stained glass. That's probably a 6-8 foot window, as all these other windows. Just incredible. We'll take you back out and finish it up here. Get the doors all closed nicely so it stays that way. Don't want it to be disturbed. Here's a neat forever. See if you can, our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be the name. So it's, forgive us of our debts, we forgive our debtors. Just wonderful. So there's that. That's, I believe, painted on. Kind of like the mural or something. The mural's almost like it's between paint and some sort of paint or drawing. It's almost like crayon to some degree. So we're going to shut all these doors. Like I said, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 doors as you come into the chapel. So we'll get them all shut in respect for the people. This is kind of a junk room. I just wanted to check that out. So they have some stuff in here. So there's not much. It's just, it was latched. So there's just probably some historic pieces there. Some old little wooden chairs. Thing. So that's neat. So we'll latch that back up. Try to leave everything as we found it. So that's it. We're head outside, a little brighter, nicer day. So we'll go back out. See if we can find Rosie real quick before we wrap that up. So yeah, that's great. We're back outside for the scenic view. Yeah, here it says on the cornerstone, the original stone, 1881 is when they put that on. I think that's a rebuild because it was actually older. On the sign it talked about 1818. So I guess they refurbished it at that point or something. So I don't see Rosie anywhere, but she may be down towards the bikes. I'm looking for her. So just gorgeous up here. So yeah, if you ever get up near West Liberty or just look for Ohio Caverns, Ohio Caves, and this is a half mile up 245, and can't miss it. It's a beautiful old chapel. So just wanted to share it with everybody. There's Rosie down there. So we're hurry down this way, about wrapping everything up. We're going to call it a wrap here at the Taborn Chapel Cemetery. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day from Terry and Rosie. Thank you.